Hey everybody, Naturalist Linda here again with part 5 of Spring Wildflower Folklore. Remember when we last parted, there was about 2 or 3 inches of snow on the ground, and the flower that I wanted to show you wasn't exactly available that day. So I'm at the Westwoods again today on a nice day in a really nice pristine ravine, and I'm going to show you the flower that I wanted to tell you about the other day. So let me turn the camera around and you can take a look at it. So this particular flower likes to grow in wet areas. It's one that can be seen fairly early in the spring, and so let's go down here and take a look at it. Anybody know what this one's called? If you said marsh marigold, you would be correct. This is one of our lovely yellow blooming spring wildflowers. In folklore, it had several uses by the Native Americans. They made wine out of the blossoms. They used juice from the stem as a treatment for warts, and the leaves also had anti-itch and anti-sting properties to it, so it provided a relief for insect bites, maybe poison ivy as well. So there's our lovely marsh marigold. So another thing I wanted to tell you about marsh marigold is that oftentimes it gets confused with a very pretty but nasty invasive plant called lesser celandine. And my co-workers, Naturalist Dottie Drockton and our land steward Joel Fearum, are putting together a little video for you on that plant and how to eradicate it. So keep your eyes on the website because that'll be posted shortly. So I'm really happy to find these growing along the trail. Let's go down and take a closer look. These are Virginia bluebells. They start off pink, and then as they bloom and mature, they turn blue. Occasionally I think you can find some white ones too, but they're not as common. In folklore, there aren't really any known uses for this plant, but it's also sometimes called lungwort because it resembles a European plant which looks similar to this, which according to the doctrine of signatures was used to treat issues having to do with the lungs. So this is our American species that looks similar to the European one. Virginia bluebells, they're gorgeous.